Hi everyone, it's Jodi. I want to tell you today about my new Painted Christmas free card kit in the mail. So if you have your mini catalog, formerly called the holiday catalog, if you've got this one, you're going to find these products on pages 16 and 17. If you don't, no worries. I will link to where you can find these products right in my online store. So as you can see on this page, there are gorgeous, gorgeous projects that you can make with the products in the Painted Christmas suite. My card kit for this month, I'm really excited about. I love the cards, and it features both bundles. This suite has two different bundles. So you'll see here, there's the Christmas season bundle, Christmas to remember bundle, some cute gold holly leaves, embellishments, some ribbon, some gorgeous designer paper. All of these cards feature these products. So what I want to do first is pull in the Christmas season bundle. So this right here is the stamp set, 14 pieces. It is photopolymer, so you can see right through exactly where you're stamping. And you can see the pine cones, some leaves, some holly berries, lots of nice Christmas greenery and pine cones. But check out these dies, and you can see them here a little more easily in the catalog. But you've got the dies that cut out these different shapes, and then you've got 6 labels. And you're going to see these labels on the cards that I'm going to show you that are for the card kit this month. So Christmas season bundle is this right here, this stamp set and the dies that cut out those images as well as the labels. So that's one bundle. The second bundle is called Christmas to Remember, and this is all words in the stamp set. You'll see that these are the words that I'm using, the greetings, on the cards for this month's kit. Now, keep in mind, if you don't want to purchase both bundles, I love them both. I'm using them both. And really, I mean, you could use this for years to come because there's so many creative options. People would never even know it was the same stamp set that you're using over and over. So anyhow, you can use the words here, or if you've got other ones that you would prefer to use, that's fine too. This one comes bundled with these dies here. Let me show you those because they're kind of huge and fun. So there's these 2 pieces, and you'll see this on one of the cards, but it's a big background. And you'll see here, it looks a little interesting. That's where the pine cones actually get layered. And as you can see, whether you're looking down here in the catalog or here with the actual dies, there are matching parts. So this would cut out a pine cone. This would cut out the detail that lays right over it. Now, you can make the cards in my card kit without these dies. I'm going to show you the cards so you'll see why you're probably going to want them, but it is possible to make the cards without this bundle. If you don't want this detail, and if you have other greetings that you prefer to use, completely fine. You won't be able to make them without the Christmas season bundle. So this is the one that's really essential. The other one, this one, you're probably going to want, but there are options. So let me go ahead and pull in the cards to show you. I'm really excited about these. So this is Soft Succulent. You can see some, you can see that sparkle on the gold vellum. It's a shimmery vellum. And then I took several of the different images in the Christmas season stamp set here. I took several of those and stamped them on this label. Again, the label was die cut with the coordinating dies for this stamp set. Added a little bit of the gold cording, some rhinestones on there. You can see a lot of them were just stamped directly onto the label, and then I added a couple of pieces that were die cut. So that is the first card. Here's the second one. This is actually, the red here is the same label as here. This one is just white and stamped on, and this one, of course, is in our real red. So this one has the musical notes on the background that are lightly sponged, just a little tone on tone, and then all these different pieces from the Christmas season stamp set, stamped and die cut. Got some more gold cording, some fun red ribbons sticking out on the edges, and then one of those gold holly leaves here. Okay, the next one is this one here. You'll notice that this one has some gold embossing. So I stamped with Versamark ink, pulled in the greeting from the Christmas to Remember stamp set, did the gold embossing, little bit of stamping on the background. That ribbon is just so pretty. I think it's picking it up quite well on the camera, but you'll love it even more in person. And then this nice strip of designer paper here. Now, this is the final card for this month, and this is what pulls in the dies with the Christmas to Remember. So you can make this card without those pieces in the background. You could stamp something in Versamark on the background just for a tone on tone. You could emboss a layer on your own and just do this the focal point. So you don't have to do that background. I personally love the background, and I think that's what really makes the card, but you absolutely can do it without these dies if you didn't want to purchase them. So you do need the Christmas season bundle. I hope that's not too complicated. I think it's pretty clear, but you need the Christmas season bundle to make the cards as shown. If you want to make a little adjustment to this one, you don't have to get the other dies. If you want different greetings, you don't have to do this stamp set, but you can see where I've pulled in the greetings here, all of these on these cards. So if you want to do these, just like they're shown, you're going to want to get both the Christmas season and Christmas to Remember bundle. Both bundles. Keep in mind, like I said, these are so versatile. There's so many images here. You can make a variety of cards for years to come. People will never know you're stamping from the same sets. So these are both ones that I would recommend that you would want to keep for quite a while and have in your arsenal of Christmas stamps to make lots of projects. You're going to get a little bonus from me. If you do both bundles, both the Christmas season and Christmas to Remember bundles, you're going to get the cards, the supplies to make these cards like always, but you're also going to get a special assortment of holiday ribbon free from me. So I just pulled in a few of them here, but you're going to get some of our different ribbons that you could use on your holiday cards. So this red, oh, that one's not even open yet. The gold shimmery. This is the cherry cobbler that's used on this card, actually. Another gold. So I've just got a variety of holiday ribbons, and I'm going to package some up as a special little treat for those of you that do choose to get both bundles. So I will create an event right here in the group, and you can see all of the details there. Click on the link to go to a shopping bag that's got everything you need to create these cards as shown. There's just a few different ink pads on here, and again, you can modify that if you want to change the green to something you already have. That's completely fine. No worries at all. This is just going to be a list of what you need if you want to complete the cards just as they are shown. So take a look at those events and click on the links and look for more details soon. Thanks so much for watching.